Hi Vishnu Ram, I missed you last week, right?
Wait, what?
I missed you in last week.
Yeah, I think. I don't know. I forgot.
Were you able to go over the notes?
No.
See, it becomes very hard if you don't go over. You see what I mean, if you miss these classes?
It's Priya.
Yeah, ma?
I watched the video for the math class I missed yesterday, and I also did the homework.
That's nice, Anish. Were you able to follow what no till date?
Yeah.
Monkey.
Yeah, ma.
So for the homework, there was like the reasoning part. I don't know how how to do it. Or what specific thing to say for it.
Do you want me to bring it up?
Sure.
Yeah.
Like uh like after given and
See,
uh
sometimes
like
I feel the book is not enough when it comes to your school level geometry.
yeah.
Okay, go ahead and do this. What is it you're asking?
So in parts 4 and 5, right? It's like it gave us, I think for part 4, it
Mm-hmm.
was like it gives the conclusion and
Yeah.
you had to write the reason.
Mm.
So I don't know the exact term for some of them, or
Okay.
what exactly to say. And then for 1 and 2 and 9 for the part 5, I also didn't know what to say in the reasoning part.
Okay, no problem. Here you're saying, no, no, explain
Yeah.
me clearly what, we'll go question by question. Which question first?
It wasn't, or well, okay, we can start with the SU LR lines, right?
Okay, this one you did not know, is it?
Well, I know kind of what to say for the statements. Like for B, you could do uh just say SU equals to LR, TU equals to LN, right? But I don't know what to it gave us it already, so this is fine. So number 1 was fine, but
Correct. So
I
this is
think.
objects. This is the length they are assuming. That is why definition of congruent. This is given. Make sense?
Yeah, yeah. Given I know that, and then but for C, D, E, and F, what would I say?
Okay. SU is equal to ST plus TU. Segment addition postulate.
Oh, okay.
This is segment addition postulate. Both are segment addition postulate. Segment addition and angle addition postulate we already saw, right?
Segment addition.
Postulate. You got it?
I didn't write that. I don't think. Okay, I
Segment
can write.
addition postulate we did it. I'll tell you.
Okay.
That's okay. Okay, so see here, that's okay. Doesn't matter. It takes time for you guys. Okay, segment addition postulate is here. 100% I know. See here.
Yeah. Oh, oh.
Segment addition postulate. Angle addition. This one we discussed last week.
Yeah.
It's okay. It takes time. Okay, it's a lot to digest.
Okay.
Okay, the basic postulate, segment addition postulate, angle addition postulate, supplement congruence theorem, complement congruence theorem. These are very basics that we need to remember all of these. It takes time, okay? It will not be in a week.
Mm.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, where were we? Go ahead. So that is
Mm.
segment addition postulate. After that, what happened? Plus TU. ST plus TU will be equal to ln plus
And then E,
nr.
I didn't understand. ST plus ln equals ln plus NR.
ST plus ln. Okay, wait, let's see.
Is it
Who is
addition?
this? Abis. What is that? Abis SG. That's so hard. See, if you don't come up with your names right, if you log in without your own original names, it becomes
Sorry,
so
my
hard.
thing logged out.
Okay, but then, oh, now you, okay. That is fine, ma, but you have to log in with your original name. What is that? Yeah. Just change your name, but there are two logins. Did you see, Anish?
Yeah, it's shut down, and that was because the guy accidentally was typing really fast and typed in some letters wrong.
Okay, no problem. I'm going to move you to waiting room. That Anish. Ayyo. I think I made the wrong Anish go. Anish, which Anish I should make you go? There are two Anish.
Change my name and add my initials so that then you know which one to remove.
Okay, you're still here. Good job. Okay. Okay, now let's see this one. Swarit, to answer your question, this one we are clear till here, right? This one, what did we say? SU is equal to LR, TU
Ln.
equal to LN. Yeah, that we are clear. This one is given.
That's
This one
the
is segment addition postulate, we said, right?
yeah.
Yeah, after that, see, starting to write proofs is a little bit of a challenge only, okay, but then you'll get it, okay. Let's see. Now, ST plus TU will be equal to LN plus
NR.
NR. Ah, I see. Okay, they've given this, right?
Yeah. Oh.
They've given what is SU, what is LR, right? It's just sequentially you have to go, okay? SU, they've given what it is, LR, they've given what it is, they've equated that,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
So, what can you write? What do you think? Can I say substitution property of equality?
Sure.
Can I say that?
Mm-hmm.
You're just substituting for
'Cause
SU, substituting for LR and equating it, right?
yeah.
And then ST. ST plus LN, wait, I have to see what is this. ST plus LN will be equal to LN plus NR.
I
ST.
didn't. That's what I didn't
T,
understand.
yeah, because TU equal to LN is given, see? Instead of TU, you're
Oh,
substituting LN.
Ln. Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
This is again substitution property of equality. Is it making sense or no?
Yeah, it is.
Because on the first one you're just substituting. Do you see? Meaning
Mm-hmm.
you are just
Yeah.
substituting, right?
Yeah.
Meaning here they've given TU equal to LN. So instead of TU, you're substituting LN. Again, it's substitution property of equality. You got it?
Mm-hmm. And then this
Now,
one is
after that, you're
subtraction.
subtracting ln on both sides. So, I would say it is subtraction property of equality. Make sense?
Yeah. And then
Yeah. So, now what happened?
ST equals NR.
ln plus nr, ln plus nr. What are they doing? I don't know.
They
ST.
both get cancelled out. Ln and minus ln.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So,
ST
ST is equal to nr.
equals and then
And then, oh, yeah.
congruent.
And then, yeah. So, what is the reasoning here? Definition of?
Definition of congruence. Or
Is it definition of congruence? Let's see once.
something.
I think, yeah, definition of congruent segments. Correct. Makes sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. What others you had problems with?
It was just like those type of questions.
Yeah. Meaning slowly, please sit and do each of this. Try to write yourself. If you don't know, keep checking. That is the only way out. If you don't follow now, things will become very hard. So please, let's go over. If you don't understand, let's go over it right now. Make sense?
Yeah.
Where are we? Vidyut, were you able to go over?
Yeah, I just reviewed the postulates thing and then I understood.
Oh, that's okay. As long, see, the main exercise was you go. Ritisha, how about you? Were you able to?
Yeah, I read over it and I watched the video. I'm still confused about some of them, but I'm doing them. So as I'm doing them, I'm like going through it and trying to understand each one.
I see. So basically, the main intent is for you to be able to write proofs. Does that make sense? Meaning left side is equal, meaning left side you are going to write statements for the reasons only for you to be able to write reasons. Unless you go over the main things in the notes, right, it is extremely difficult to write reasons. Okay, so basically, I would say just memorize the meaning, possible reasons. See, properties and definitions. If this is the case, this is the case. What do you write it as a reason? Initially, memorize the first 15. After that, you will automatically get into the groove and you will start writing by yourself. This is, see, angles complement to the same angle are congruent. So that was the that's what we studied in class as congruent complements theorem. This is congruent supplements theorem. We did a proof for these two as well. These are not postulates. These two are proofs. We did go over the proofs as well last week for these two. Any questions? Can I move on? You know what today? Shyam, are you able to follow?
Yes.
Diya, were you able to follow, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, now let me go to my alchemist. 1 second, guys. Just 1 second, okay. Okay. Let's go to this. Here, I can't do alchemist, that's bad. Yeah, play. That's what I thought. I can play. Okay, now what is that? I already signed in, right?
Reload.
Huh?
Try to reload. Maybe it would work then. Try to click X.
Click X. What is going on
Like
here?
if you log in, then click X.
Oh, see the.
Oh.
Wow, something is not working.
Maybe you have too many tabs.
Maybe, I don't know. Okay, let me go in this. Okay, let's check it out. Oh,
Try signing in with Google.
that won't work, ma, because I don't have login with no Google, right? Okay, let me come back. Wait. Let me do one thing. Let me go to some other, not Chrome. Let me quickly check. I really want to go back to Alchemist and see where you guys are. Because if I leave it now, it doesn't work.
Wait, I don't think I have your class inside my Alchemist.
1 second.
My account recently got deleted.
Just 1 second, wait. Oh my god, what is that? That's horrible. 1 minute, wait. This is the first time I'm working through such a difficulty. Hold on, guys. I've never seen this. Okay, 1 second. I have never seen AOPS finding it tough for me to log in. Okay. Okay, I think this is working. Okay, I think there's a problem with Chrome. Okay, so let's see. I will share this with you guys. Do you see this tab?
Yeah.
Okay, so now where are we? Did you all start doing geometry or no?
Yeah, we started.
Yeah, I started.
Okay, so the first two topics were assigned, correct?
Yes.
Were you able to do them, or where are we on that?
I finished both of them till at the blue level.
Blue level means it is at 96 or 98 or where?
Like around 90.
96.
See, that's where I want all of you to get a 97, 98 there. Okay, for next week, I really want the Pythagorean theorem to get completed. I will try to do isosceles and equilateral triangles today. Okay, but I would like to see you doing isosceles, equilateral triangle and Pythagorean theorem for next week. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, I will post this as homework as well, but yeah, this is something, you know what is the definition of isosceles and equilateral, right? So, first let's discuss what is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. But what other properties do you know about isosceles triangles? What do you know about isosceles triangles?
Two angles are the same,
Which
Yeah.
angles?
like B and C.
angles opposite to equal sides are equal. That is the isosceles triangle theorem. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Make sense? So here PQR is isosceles. What? Okay, so you all know how to find out x. Do you all know how to find out x?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is
That's
it?
70.
It's
Yeah,
no.
good.
Wait.
It's 110. It's 110.
What?
No,
Because
it's
that
70 and then
it
opposite
is
angles.
Yeah,
70.
70.
70. What are these two angles called?
Vertical angles.
Good job. Vertical angles. So these two are equal. So 140 should be equally split as 70, 70. And then vertically opposite angles are equal. That is called the vertical angles theorem.
Yeah.
Isosceles triangle theorem is angles opposite to equal sides are equal. I will give you a list of theorems, postulates that we will study during the course of this year. Okay, that will be a separate list. I'll definitely share with you. Okay, but I want to do a couple problems with isosceles triangles and then go to the book first. Okay, we will do some proofs based on last week, and then I will go to isosceles triangles. Let's see. Oh wow. Two sides of an isosceles triangle are 15 and 10. What is the greatest possible
40?
perimeter of this?
40?
Yeah.
40.
Yeah,
It's
40.
40.
40. How did you find? Who can tell me?
Because 15 is the longest side. We get 2 of them and then add up to 10.
Yeah.
Good. So 40. Good. Okay. So these questions seem easy. Okay. One last one. In the figure BA equal to AD, BA equal to AD equal to DC. Let me mark it. I marked it wrongly. BA equal to AD equal to DC. And point D is on segment BC. The measure of the angle ACD is 22.5. What is the measure of ABC? I'll wait, guys. All of you can do it. Send it to me in chat and we can compare.
Auntie,
Yeah.
can I quickly get my notebook?
Yeah. Please do it in a notebook and a pencil, please. Don't mentally do, guys, please. It'll never work properly. Not a hard one as well. So let's see. Not a hard one though. Is it that hard?
No, it's not.
Yeah, that's what I thought. It's not that hard at all. Try. If you don't get it, it's okay. Just message me so that I'll understand. Now I want to do proofs on congruent triangles today. It's one of the hardest parts in geometry.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer.
Yeah, Ritisha, that seems right. That's what I got.
Yeah, I got.
Yeah.
Okay.
I sent my
You know
answer
what?
also.
Honestly, I did not check your homework. I don't remember at least.
I sent the answer.
Yeah, 1 minute. With respect to the homework, Diya, were you able to complete homework, ma?
Not all of it.
Ma, that's a little.
I'm gonna submit it like after class.
Yes, ma. Ashwik, did you have any questions?
No.
Anish, did you have any questions?
No, and I sent my answer.
Ashwik, I don't see your entire homework though. Did you see that?
Huh? Oh,
I
it
don't-
must have glitched out or something, or I didn't submit.
No. Ashwik, I don't see your entire homework. Did you see that?
And
Siddharth, did you check against answers?
Yes, ma'am.
I showed you part 4 and part 5.
Yeah, part 4 and part. Okay, yeah, but yeah. Yeah, Vidyut. Okay, were you able to understand well, Vidyut?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm also going to start giving you geometry based questions now. 1 second, wait. Resources, test bank, maybe geometry. 1 second, guys. I really want to do geometry based questions right off. This year itself we'll do that because individual answers. Let's see. Oh, some of them you cannot answer these, but let's see. Okay, let's see. Whatever I can, I'll do in class. Okay, did you guys get it? What was the answer? Yeah, what was the
45.
45 is correct. Is there a person who didn't get? Dia, how did you get, ma? Dia, you can explain, Dia, I'll help you. Shout out, Dia. Don't worry.
Basically, I
Uh-huh.
did
I'm listening.
180 minus 22.5.
For what, ma? No, you should start from what is given, right, Dia? This is
Yeah.
22.5. So this is an isosceles triangle. So this is 22.5, right, Dia?
Yeah.
Then both of this add to 45 degrees. So this is 135 degree being a triangle, correct?
Yeah.
This forms a linear pair. So this will be 45 degrees, right?
Yeah.
This is an isosceles triangle. So this is 45 degrees, right? That's what is the measure of the angle ABC, correct?
Yeah.
So it's 45 degrees. Does it make sense, ma?
Yeah.
And one more thing, Diya, before you answer right, does ABC look like an obtuse triangle?
No.
So that please do a sanity check anytime, okay? But don't go based on how it looks as well. Okay, I'm going to wait on this. Let's see. Number of degrees on ECD. That's a good question. Let me see. In triangle ABC, AC is equal to BC. That means it's an isosceles triangle. DCB they have given. Oh, wow. They have given DCB as 40 and CD is, oh wow, this is a nice one. I'll wait, guys. You can mark it if you want to. If you're finding it tough, you can mark it on the board as well. Nice question. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's do all these, guys. I think this is quite important. Okay, I really want to cover proofs for see, geometry is getting a little heavier, I feel. So unless you follow every week, proof writing is going to be hard.
Miss Priya, is that my answer?
40 what? Sham, I didn't get your answer, Sham. Maybe I did a mistake. I don't know. Yes, I got Ritisha's answer. Sham, how did you do? You want to explain?
I'm sure.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll show.
Yeah. Just explain. We'll see where is the mistake.
Okay, so
I also said mine. I'm sorry.
I'll check.
So angle an ECB is actually 90 degrees. So I did 90
How do you
minus
know? How do you know it's 90 degrees?
because DC and AB are like parallel lines. So
Correct.
I thought it was like 90 degrees.
Which is 90 degree you thought? This is 90 degree you thought?
No. An ECB.
ACB. That's what ACB, right?
No.
I followed the same line thing he did.
An ECB.
ECB. Oh, no. Don't go by what it looks. Definitely don't go by what it looks, Sham. Okay, yeah, good way of doing, good way that you brought this out. See, these two lines are parallel. You have to go from there, no assumptions completely. Okay, they have given, please let's mark. They have given this as 40 degree. Remember, parallel lines and transversal means this is 40, right, Sham?
Yeah.
Then the next thing what I see is this is an isosceles triangle. So this is as well 40 degrees, correct?
Yeah.
Now, with that in place, how much is this, Sham? This is the problem. You assume that is 90. This is 100. You see?
Yeah.
If this is 100, this is 40. This is a straight line which forms a linear pair. So this has to be 40. Make sense?
I did it in a different way.
Yeah, go ahead, Anish. You can explain.
Wait, could you clear the board?
Yeah, I cleared it. Go ahead.
Right, so, I can annotate it.
What
I did was we made a line like this. So then logically this would be same as this. So then this one and this one would be same. Right?
Wait. Why are they the same?
Because that if it's like split in half and you make another line in the exact same way, then this would reflect onto this. So then this would be 40 and then this would also be 40. So then this would be 100. And then
I am with you on that, but your reasoning on the we have not gone till there, right? Okay, I'll go with you. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so then this is equal to 100, and then because it forms a linear thing there,
Good.
and then 100 plus 40 equals to 40.
Good, I'll go with you, but we have not covered the angle bisector for an isosceles triangle as well. But that's fine, okay. Just because we have not covered, I can't say it's wrong. Yeah, ma.
Can we do one more?
Yeah, we'll do one more. We'll do a few more. I have a lot of questions in the book as well, don't worry. Okay, so I'm just meaning, I thought of just going through this so that it'll make it easy on you when you go to alchemist. It's not like, oh my gosh, it's another pain. You won't feel that. That's why I thought. Okay, in the diagram, AD equal to, we'll solve a few more if you want to. AD equal to BD. See, that's already marked. Whenever I see something, right, in geometry, I'll first mark. And BCA is 40 degrees. Feel free to mark it on the board. You can as well mark. What is the measure of BAC? I'll wait. Don't shout out. Please send. Vidyut, particularly if you are attending competition, I really want you to get through this time. You can keep yourself at a pace where we can't catch you with alchemists. Make sense?
Okay.
You don't need to wait for anybody. Whoever wants, you don't need to wait for us in alchemist. You can keep moving. And if you have a problem, come back to class. We'll work on that particular concept, whichever you're stuck on.
Okay.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer.
Yeah, I'm checking. I'm getting a different answer. BAC, yeah. Yeah, I'm getting a different answer.
Oh, what? No, I forgot to add them. Sorry.
Yeah,
me too. I forgot to add them.
Okay, I'm getting your answer, Shyam.
I sent a new answer.
Vidyut, yeah, I got it. Yeah. Anish, good job.
Yeah.
Anish, very nice to see you catching up.
Thank you.
See, if you're not able to answer, clearly the previous portions are not there. Okay. Geometry is getting heavier. Yes, Ritisha. Dear, did you get it, ma?
Sorry. Not yet.
Are you okay?
Not yet. Okay. Swarit, read the problem. What is asked and what are you giving? Did you read?
Oh, okay.
Everybody has the same problem. When you look at this, right, this is 40, this is 40. No, what I am doing. Sorry, guys. Okay. This is 40, this is 40. Angles in a triangle, right? So this will be 100. That makes it, this is a linear pair, so this is 80. But when you observe these two angles are equal. So the 100 is split equally, so this is 50-50, making this angle as 50 plus 40, 90. Can we move on?
Yes.
Vishnu Ram, are you following?
Yeah, I've answered everything so far.
Oh, Vishnu Ram, I didn't see your answer, honestly. Wait, there are two answers. Oh, okay. Okay, ma. I didn't see. Just now I saw. Okay, we'll do a few more as I said, right? For you to become, you will see now itself we have crossed green. So like that you will as well cross green. So I really want to see a 98 next week. Okay, on this particular topic. What particular topic is this? Isosceles and equilateral triangle. Come on guys, go ahead and do this one. Coplanar means what?
I don't know.
Collinear means what? What is coplanar and collinear? Co means what? Co means
Together
same.
or oh, never mind.
No, go ahead. What is that?
I thought it was like together or same.
Yeah, see, coplanar is same plane. Collinear is same line. These three lines are collinear. These three lines are not collinear. You got it? They are non-collinear. Make sense, guys?
I set my answer.
No, 1 second, guys. This is very important, okay? Collinear is points in the same line. Non-collinear is points in different, meaning they do not lie on the same line. Now, how you define a plane in geometry, a flat surface in geometry? Go ahead. No problem. How you define a flat surface in geometry? You can define a plane in geometry using 3 non-collinear points. Okay, a plane can be defined with 3 non-collinear points. You have to know that, okay? So collinear, coplanar we have explained now. Congruent, you know the symbol is this. This is congruent. This means similar. This is similarity. This is congruent. Congruent means same size, same shape. Similar means same shape, different size. No, I think it's 1. 1 second, guys. Let me confirm the symbol for similarity. I'm going to check Google only. Similarity, because I thought it was 1. Let's check it. Oh, I see. So it can be anything. It can be this, it can be this, or it can be this. That's good to know. Okay, so similarity, whatever we just said was right, but then it can also be these 2 symbols. Okay, you have to know all these. Being in geometry, you have to speak geometry language.
It could also be 3 straight lines.
Yeah, 3 straight lines, yes, but I've never used it, Amma. You know what? When it goes to 3 straight line, I feel like, let's see, 1 minute, wait. 3 straight lines, I feel like, I don't want to confuse with modular arithmetic.
Wait, is my answer right?
1 second, guys. Modular arithmetic. No. See, 3 straight lines. See here. This is 10 congruent to 1 mod 3. See, the 3 straight lines there, it is confusing. So I really don't want to use the 3 straight lines.
What's mod 3?
Okay. Coming there, right? What this means? This is more into reminders, ma.
It's the
What it means is, yeah. See here,
Equal to
10 when you divide by 3 leaves a remainder 1. That's what it means. So the 3 lines stands for it becomes a modular arithmetic.
So what's the remainder?
So like here itself, let's consider this 10 1 mod 3. If I write it like this, that means 10 is being divided by 3 and it has a remainder of 1. So 10 is see, we call it congruence only. Okay, so 10 is congruent to 1 mod 3. Okay, so so it is, you can use this, but usually it is used in modular arithmetic. So now let's go there. I think we are going too much out. How about this? Yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
I set my answer.
1 minute, I have to check, right? BAC you want? Okay, 70.
Wait, was my answer right?
Amma, I did not calculate yet, guys. Okay, I'll check your answers directly. I don't know. I'll go with your answers. Okay, I didn't check. A is 20. Yeah, I don't know. Ritisha says 35. Anish says 35. Vidyut says 35. Sham says 35. Ashwik says 35. Vishnu Ram, how are you saying 20?
I said 20.
Oh, Diya. Oh, 25 means.
I mean, not 25. I mean 35.
35. Yeah. Computation mistake. Diya, did you get ma?
No, I sent 35.
Yeah.
I didn't say 25.
Okay, are you understanding or should I explain, Madhya?
I understand.
Okay, so shall we put 35? We'll do one more and then please let's move on, guys, because I think we are taking too much time here. Okay, this is the last one. Oh wow, triangle. Okay, let me draw. Please draw every time geometry. Please draw if you don't have a diagram. Triangle PQR is isosceles and the measure of R is 40. Okay, the possible measures of P angle PR, PQR. Okay, XYZ. Possible measures are XYZ. Oh wow.
I'm not eating anything.
Go ahead.
Really?
Go ahead. What are the possible measures of XYZ?
Oh.
How come there can be three values?
Because
Oh wow, I don't get it. I have only two values. What is that?
I actually think I get it.
Hmm?
I think I get it.
Same.
Do you want me to explain?
Yeah, please. Why not?
I said my
Okay.
wait, I want to try.
Okay. We'll wait. Sorry, Ritisha. Let's wait.
No, it's okay.
Ritisha will explain. Vidyut answer is different. The others are getting the same answer. Oh, wait. Ashwik's answer is different. Ritisha and Vidyut have the same answer. Ashwik, your answer seems different.
Did I explain?
Yeah, I am okay. Just try. I don't know whose answer is correct yet.
Don't get it. You guys can.
So let's the measure of angle.
Yeah, so what I did is so I did 180 minus 40 because Q and P are the same.
Okay.
That's 140 divided by 2 is 70.
Yeah, 70. Okay.
So one x is 70, and then to find y, I'm gonna say Q and R are the same,
Yeah,
and so
okay.
that Q would be 40,
Q and
and
R.
P
One
would
minute,
be
ma.
100.
One minute, ma. Q and R are the same.
And R and P are the same.
20, 40. Okay. So what is P? 100.
100,
Okay. And then the next one?
and R and P would be
Yeah, Z. This
and
is
Q.
what I am getting too. But Ritisha and Vidyut have different answers. Ritisha, explain.
So basically there's two ways. If R and P are the, let's say, angles that are equal, then P could be 40. If R and Q are the angles that equal each other, then P would be 100. But if Q and R are the angles that are equal to each other, then P would be no, I mean if R was the angle that's like different, that does not equal Q and P because Q and P equal each other, then P would be 50.
50, yeah.
Yeah, 50.
Wait, I got 52.
Wait. What did we do?
Wait, I mean not 50, 70.
70, yeah.
Oh.
Wait, is my answer right?
Yeah, Vishnuram. I gave you a heart. Did you see?
Wait.
Okay. Yeah. So it was just computation mistake, I feel. Dia, did you
Yeah.
get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So two
Yeah, I
time was
fixed
answered.
that
Yeah,
real
no
quick.
worries. Okay. Let's move on. Okay. I think it's enough. You guys can proceed, right? We already arrived at 72. Now see 82. Okay. So we'll stop this. I want to do some problems from the book. Okay. Those are really nice. Yeah. 1 second. Okay, let's go ahead with some proofs. Okay, before I go to isosceles triangles, I really want us to be able to write proofs. One thing, guys, we studied about this SSS, SAS, ASA, AAS. We studied about all these congruents. You know what, at home when you find time, right, you should have one as 3 centimeter, one as 4, like I want you to be able to draw. Okay, maybe I'll give it to you as homework, but I don't know how many of you will sit and do. But sitting and doing is so, meaning you don't have to sit and do. Okay, you can go to GeoGebra and draw. You can go to GeoGebra website. All of you know GeoGebra? Yeah. So you can use the GeoGebra website. Try to construct two triangles. Literally have one side AB, have another side, okay, AB. Draw it as 3 centimeter. Like that, SSS congruence. Draw two triangles and see. Similarly, the next thing what you would do is, again, you will do AB. That is one side, right? And then you will pick up any angle, 45 degrees, okay? Again, this side is the same, exactly the same. Let's say you pick up 3.
I was walking backwards like this, looking at Peanut because I thought Nico was gonna kill Peanut, and then I saw Jill.
Vaishnaram, I don't want you to be seeing that.
My little brother came in the room, my bad.
Okay, so here it is 45, here it is 3. Having said that, this is AB 45. Okay, well, I just want you guys to make use of the class. Okay, if you are not going to make use of the class, it's better not to continue as well. I'll tell you honestly. Okay, so here AB, the side is 3, AB is 3, AB is 3. Then put up a 45 degree angle, just pull one line segment, and then we are going to prove SAS, right? Another side, let's say use a compass, or compass, make an arc of 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay, join these two sides and see, guys. When you join these two sides and see and measure them, they will exactly be equal. That is why there is SAS congruence, meaning side, angle, side. The other side will also be equal. You don't have to make it equal. You just make a 5 measurement, 3 measurement and 45 angle. Automatically these two will be equal. So if you can try it out, you'll remember a lot. Okay, so it's nice to try each of this using GeoGebra. Okay, that I don't have the time to do in class, but you guys can try it out. Similarly, have two angles. Let's say I'll draw a line segment, draw a line segment. It doesn't have to be any size. Okay, I am making it as what? I am making it as, let's say, 45. Okay, now this side is constant, let's say. Okay, I'm going to make a line segment of exactly the same, 3, 3. Okay, this is 45, I draw one another. Okay, now again, if I make it as, let's say 90 degrees. Yeah, and then make that same 90 degree here. Okay, and after that measure this and this. They will exactly be the same. Why? Because there is ASA congruence between both. Automatically the third side will be equal if you measure and see. Whereas we discussed all of this. You can try all of this. But construct one triangle with SSA and see. What I am saying is, draw a side AB of side, any measurement you can take, S, and then here I'll take it as, see, the thing is, you're not measuring the angle here. You're not measuring any angle, right? 6 centimeter, S, right? 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. You can draw like this and see, and then make sure your angle here between this and this is 45, or let's say 45. I'm just taking it as 45. Okay, try to finish this triangle and see. They will not end up congruent. Okay, SSA is definitely not a congruence at all. Okay, anywhere you find SSA, it is not a congruence that needs to be dealt with. Okay, so you have to prove that. How do you prove that? You really have to draw one triangle and check it out. Okay, meaning I really want you to try problem number 3.14 in the book. Maybe I'll put it down in the Google Classroom. Page number 64, problem number 3.14. I really want you to draw in mathspad.com. or yeah, GeoGebra as well is fine. Go to maths pad, try drawing that, or go to GeoGebra, do that problem and see, or take a pencil, paper, compass, take a ruler and do it and see, please. Okay, that way you'll remember that SSA is never congruence, otherwise you'll all forget. Okay. Okay, now let's go ahead and try this one. I really want you to start the proofs, right? I told you. So let's see here. Okay, how about this? This is an easy one, okay? E is the midpoint of, we'll do at least 5 proofs today. Midpoint of AC and BD. Okay, prove, this is an easy one, okay? AB is parallel to CD. This is your diagram, okay? AB, don't go with what you see. Drawing may not be to scale. Yeah, go ahead, guys. How do you draw statement, proof, reason? You should be very good with writing statement, reason.
Do we put in the chat or?
No, let's discuss. This is proof, right? Let's discuss. Meaning, one time one of you volunteer, next time somebody volunteer. Come on. So proofs always start with what is given. What is given?
E is equal to 5.
Yeah, E is the midpoint of AC and BD. So, one of you say next. We have a lot of proofs. Go ahead.
I was gonna say E was bisecting B and B, but that covers it.
Yeah, but then because of this, what will you say?
I was also gonna say that A and C are equal and B and D are equal. Like the measure is given.
Wouldn't it be like AE and then EC kind of?
Correct. That's what it is. Swarit. Wait. Ritisha, what did you say, Ritisha?
Kind of like EAB is equal to 5, but also ECD is also equal to 5. So ECD and EAB are equal to each other.
Ritisha, I didn't understand what you're saying. Come again.
E, A, and B is equal to the measure of ECD.
Seema, AB is a line segment. BAE is an angle.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The measure of BAE is equal to the measure of ECD.
Yeah.
But yeah. Correct. That's what you need to prove. Yeah. Good job.
I was trying to say that.
Yeah, that's what you need to prove. Okay, but don't, meaning in this case, right, I will never call this angle as angle A. I'll call it as BAE or EAB. Make sense?
Okay.
Yeah, just to be safer. Okay, but you can. Yeah.
I have a question. In the statement section, you already put that E is midpoint of AC and BD. Is it?
Yeah.
So what?
Yeah. From there, what are you concluding? Sorry, it said something.
AE equals to CE and
exactly. AE is congruent to
CE or EC.
EC, but congruence. Okay, and then I can also say BE is congruent to
ED or DE.
Yeah, ED. Yeah, why? Definition of midpoint. You know what? If I really want to properly write, right, I would say, see, midpoint means it's not, midpoint doesn't say congruence. I would really want to say this.
Equal to?
Definition of midpoint, yeah. And then
you can say they're congruent.
AE is congruent to EC, and then you can say B is congruent to ED. Definition of congruent segments. Then congruence. Then what? Okay. Then what? There's one more. There's one more you can say. What is it? What is this?
Oh, vertical angles.
AEB is congruent to B is
C.
C. Okay. Order is very important. Wait,
Or
let's see.
is it
AEB is congruent to CED. Good. Order is very important. Why? Vertically opposite angles. And then what? Then what is the last? How do you prove? What? So what?
A and C are equal? I don't know.
What is it?
A equals to C and B equals to D.
Yeah, that's true. But what? After this, it has to be sequential.
Okay.
Right? You said that AEB. So what? Can I say ABE triangle is congruent to CDE triangle? Why? 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 What is this? We proved that this is equal to this. This is equal to
these triangles.
When you say they are congruent, what is the reasoning?
Oh.
It has to be one of the congruences, right?
Yeah.
What is the congruence here? Yes. A. S. SAS congruence.
Oh.
Does that make sense, guys?
This
is the first time we're doing, that's fine. So this is SAS congruence, okay? Now, I can say ABD angle is congruent to CDE, right? Why? CPCTC. We did discuss this, right? Week back, not last week. The previous week we discussed. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. It's a very, very famous acronym. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Now, what is the last statement? AB is parallel to CD. Why? Why AB is parallel to CD? If two lines are parallel, right? Yeah. These two angles are equal, we say that. What is that called? Alternate interior angles theorem. But here we are saying the converse. We are saying the opposite of that. We are switching the hypothesis and conclusion. Usually we say, hey, if these two lines are parallel, angle A is equal to angle B because they are alternate interior angles. That's what we say. So that is a theorem. Okay. When you say the opposite, right? Oh, these two angles are equal. So I'm saying these two lines are parallel. So we say that is called as converse. See, I have not taught you this. What is the definition of converse? Converse means if in an if-then statement, right? If you say if in an if-then state, any if-then statement, okay? If let's say if two angles are supplementary, if two angles add to 180, then they are supplementary. If I say this, right, this is generally, if this is a theorem, right, the other way means the reverse, meaning if two angles are supplementary, then those two angles add up to 180. That is always called the converse. One is called the theorem, one is called the converse. Makes sense? You switch the hypothesis and the conclusion. This part is called the hypothesis. If part is called the hypothesis, the then part is always called the conclusion. So if you switch the conclusion and hypothesis, then we call it as converse of that theorem. Makes sense? Converse of interior angles theorem. Any questions? Any questions? It won't be this tough, guys, okay? Slowly you'll get used to it. But you need to be able to say, hey, these two triangles are congruent by what? SAS congruence. So these two angles are equal. Why? Because they are the corresponding parts of congruent triangles. And then you can say, since those two are equal, I can assume that these two are parallel. Why? Converse of alternate interior angle theorem. Does that make sense? You don't have to be able to say right now. Maybe after 2-3 proofs you should be able to. Shall I go ahead?
Yes.
Okay, let's do one more proof then. Okay, I'll do it neatly this time. Okay, in the let's see this. This is the figure. No. Oh wow, I'm not drawing a good job at all. That's better. Okay, now ADCB. ADCB. This is what is given. Okay, the diagram tells everything. I've marked it. Okay, so given this diagram, given this, you're going to prove DB is perpendicular to AC. Okay, let's do slowly, guys. Statement, reasoning. Now, please, one of you volunteer. You'll have a lot of opportunity for proofs. But by the time you get to your school geometry, things should be very easy for you.
AC intersects DB.
What is given first of all?
AB equals to BC.
AD equal to DC. AD is congruent to DC. It's given.
DC, and then AB is congruent to BC.
AB is congruent to BC given. Okay, then
line AC or like
correct. Line AC.
And line DB intersect.
Why? Why? Do we really need it? We don't need it.
I mean, it is given, but I mean, we don't need it.
Yeah, it's not given as well, right?
No, I don't think so. Actually, I mean, I don't know how to say it though. Like I was gonna say AC and DB are two lines that intersect.
Miss Priya, I have something.
Yeah, go ahead.
This angle here and this angle here are like the same, and along with this one and this one.
Why?
Like I feel like I don't know how to explain. I don't know how to explain it, but I remember it was one of the proofs.
It
that
was
was
the
like that.
bisector, right? It was the vertical. No.
Let's see the logical sequence, okay? This one is given. From there, what can you achieve?
A, D, A, what, A, like, quick. Can I use A notation, please?
Yeah, you can use anything.
This and this are both equal because that they have the line here and there.
No, that is not what we can see. We have only said that this is equal to this. This is equal to this.
Yeah, so then if this is equal to this, then it has the same meeting point as this. Because if this is equal to this, that means it has to have the same meeting point as this. Because if they both start at the same point, and if they're both congruent, then they should both end at the same point as this.
No, there is much more to it, right? We are not telling, meaning what and what are congruent here. What else?
What? There's no midpoint, right? Like they didn't give a letter for the midpoint.
Yeah, they are not saying anything about. Okay, letter for the midpoint. Let's do E. What happened?
Then AEB is equal to CEB. I don't know. And then DEC equal to DEA.
It's a lot of
vertical angles concept thing, vertical angles theory.
Not really, but a lot of congruences come into picture here. You have to prove some triangles are congruent. We are working on congruent triangle proofs. There are triangles involved that are congruent. So see, thing is, you have to prove DB is perpendicular to AC. That means what? DB is perpendicular to AC means I have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. These two angles are congruent. How can they be congruent if I prove that these are corresponding parts of congruent triangles, right?
Is there some kind of...
Then at some point I need to prove ADE and CDE are congruent. But I can't go there yet because I don't have anything that can say that yet. What else I can do?
Wait, I'm gonna go to a different tab 1 minute.
Yeah, but we'll go to different triangles. See, they have given they've given this. Clearly, they've given this. They've given this. So, which triangles can I prove to be congruent first?
A,
This
E,
seems a common side, right?
so A,
So,
E, B.
can I say DB is congruent to BD? Reflective property. Yeah, because when I say when I say ADB, that's the same as CDB, right?
Oh, okay.
So from here, what can I conclude? Side, 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 side. What is that congruence? What two triangles are congruent? Hmm? DAB
Two
and
triangles.
DAB and
DCB.
DCB are congruent by what? By what congruence?
Side.
Side, see, side, side, side. You have to follow logical sequence, SSS congruence. It takes time, it's okay. SSS congruence. Now, but this doesn't do anything, but I can do something. What I can do? Can I do something? From there, you can prove something. I said we need to prove that these two triangles are congruent, right? Think about in that angle. How to prove that? Using SSS, we have proven that these two triangles are congruent. From there, what I can conclude?
Wait.
So basically, if both of the triangles A, B, D, and D,
Wait.
B, C are both
Technically, can A and C be equal because like DAB is equal and DCB is equal to each other, right? So
Oh,
I mean
wow.
substitution, kind of.
Nice. Okay, Swarit is bringing up a new picture, and Anish, you were telling something. What were you selling?
Basically, if A, B, and D are congruent to D, C, B, then this line would be split in half, and then we already know this is congruent. So basically,
Which is congruent, ma?
what? So if this is congruent to this, right? So if this is congruent to this, then this would be
Oh, those two triangles are not congruent. DAB and DCB are congruent. This is congruent to this is what we have proven. Yeah. Swarit, go ahead with what you said.
I'm saying A equals to C.
Yeah, A equal to C, I agree, but you can't use it right away. A equal to C is correct. But before that, you can say something. Just because these two triangles are congruent, see, these two triangles are congruent, right? And in this congruence, what is related to our two triangles? You see, this CDE and ADE are congruent. CDE and ADE are. What is the reasoning? From here, the reasoning should evolve.
Okay.
CP, CTC. Congruent part or the corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Now we know these two angles are equal. This is already equal, we know. What else? What else I can do? As Swarit said, you can say this angle is equal to this angle. That's one way out because it's an isosceles triangle. That you can say. Or I can as well say DE is equal to ED. There's the same side, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, reflective property. There's the same side. As a result, what congruence now? Proves that those two are congruent. What congruence say? See the steps. What congruence tells these two triangles are congruent? You have proven this angle is equal to this angle.
Angle.
This side is equal.
Angle, side, angle.
Where am
I mean, is it angle, side?
Side, angle, side, right?
Oh.
So, triangle ADE is congruent to triangle CDE by SAS congruence. Okay, then the last step you can write. What? AED angle is congruent to
CED.
CED. Why? What is the reasoning? CPCTC. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles are equal. Now what happens? But AC forms a linear pair, right? AC is a straight line, right?
Yeah.
But AED plus CED are supplementary. Right? Why? It's a linear pair. Line, right?
Yeah.
It's a linear pair. Now you can say as a result by substitution, measure of AED is equal to measure of CED. Did you get it?
Yeah.
These are hard proofs, guys, but the book takes you steep into a pit right off the bat. But maybe if you are finding it difficult, do the problems in Alchemist. What we'll do is we will go ahead and do more proofs from easy geometry first and then go into the book proofs. I know this is a little difficult, right? So that's okay, but getting used to it is better. Meaning you have to prove that triangles are congruent using either SAS, SSS, ASA, AAS. These four are the only ones you can prove, and then you have to use CPCTC for proving some sides are equal or angles are equal of those triangles that you prove that they are congruent. So once you do that, once you start getting used to it, then things become easy. Okay, but as a part of your homework, you're going to finish Pythagorean theorem and isosceles equilateral triangles alchemist topics. Okay, in the book, let's see what to do. I will check what to do, otherwise I'll give you separate homework. Make sense? Any questions for me? But please don't miss geometry classes. Okay, it's hard to ramp up later. Any questions? Ashwik, are you with me? Ashwik, are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Any questions? If you have any questions, stay. Otherwise, we'll see you next week.
Alright, bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye, Priya.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys. Good job, Anish.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.